These 6 gadgets make life easier and more energy efficient. Imagine a home that not only caters to your comfort but also works tirelessly to reduce your energy bills and environmental footprint. That's not just a fantasy, it's the promise of modern technology. Today we delve into the world of smart gadgets designed to streamline your life while making it more energy efficient. From controlling your lights to optimizing your home's temperature, these 6 gadgets are game changers. Join us as we explore how these innovative devices can transform your home into a haven of efficiency and sustainability. Let's get started. Number 1. Plug-in smart outlet. Have you ever wished for a smarter way to control your home devices even when you're away? Well, with plug-in smart outlets, that wish becomes a reality. These innovative gadgets offer a seamless solution to manage your appliances, lamps, and electronics from anywhere, anytime. Let's delve into how plug-in smart outlets can empower your devices and transform your daily routine. Plug-in smart outlets, also known as smart plugs, are simple yet powerful devices that give you full control over your household electronics. By plugging your devices into these outlets, you can schedule their operation remotely, turn them on or off using a smartphone app, or even control them with voice commands through smart assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The benefits are manifold. Imagine effortlessly turning off that forgotten bedroom lamp or scheduling your coffee maker to start brewing as soon as you wake up. With plug-in smart outlets, you can conserve energy, enhance home security, and streamline your daily tasks with unparalleled convenience. Plug-in smart outlets are more than just convenient gadgets. They're the key to unlocking the full potential of your home devices. Number 2. Smart dimmer switches and motion detectors. What if your lights could adjust to your needs automatically? Smart dimmer switches and motion detectors make this possible, offering a bright solution to enhance both energy efficiency and convenience in your home. Let's shed some light on how these innovative devices can illuminate efficiency in your daily life. Smart dimmer switches allow you to adjust the brightness of your lights remotely or automatically based on schedules or triggers. Meanwhile, motion detectors sense movement and activate lights, ensuring illumination only when needed. Together, they revolutionize the way we interact with lighting, minimizing energy waste and maximizing convenience. By intelligently managing your lighting, smart dimmer switches and motion detectors contribute to significant energy savings while enhancing comfort and security. Say goodbye to wasted energy from lights left on in empty rooms, and hello to a more efficient and sustainable home environment. In conclusion, smart dimmer switches and motion detectors offer a bright solution to energy-efficient lighting. With their intuitive features and automated functionality, they illuminate the path towards a more sustainable and convenient lifestyle. Number 3. Smart LED light bulb. Step into the future of lighting with smart LED light bulbs. These innovative bulbs not only brighten up your home but also shed light on significant energy savings. Let's explore how smart LED bulbs illuminate the path to efficiency and savings. Smart LED bulbs utilize advanced technology to offer customizable lighting options. They can be dimmed, scheduled, and controlled remotely via smartphone apps or voice commands. With features like automated schedules and occupancy sensing, these bulbs ensure energy is used efficiently without compromising on illumination quality. The benefits are clear. Smart LED bulbs consume significantly less energy compared to traditional incandescent bulbs, while offering greater versatility and control. By optimizing lighting usage, they contribute to lower electricity bills and reduced environmental impact, making them a smart choice for any household. In conclusion, smart LED light bulbs are not just about illumination. They're about shedding light on savings and efficiency. With their innovative features and energy-saving capabilities, they brighten up your home while helping you save money and reduce your carbon footprint. Number 4. Smart ceiling fan switch. Tired of adjusting your ceiling fan manually? Enter smart ceiling fan switches, the key to keeping your cool effortlessly. These intelligent switches offer a seamless solution to optimize your comfort while conserving energy. Let's dive into how smart ceiling fan switches can revolutionize your home cooling experience. Smart ceiling fan switches allow you to control your fan speed and operation remotely via smartphone apps or voice commands. By automating schedules and integrating with other smart devices, they ensure your fan operates efficiently, adjusting to your needs and environmental conditions. The benefits are undeniable. Smart ceiling fan switches optimize energy usage by ensuring your fan operates only when necessary. They enhance comfort by providing personalized cooling options and can even integrate with smart thermostats for a holistic home climate control system. In conclusion, smart ceiling fan switches offer a smart and convenient way to keep your cool while saving energy. With their intuitive features and seamless integration, they elevate your home comfort experience to new heights. Number 5. Smart thermostat. Say goodbye to outdated thermostats and hello to the future of climate control with smart thermostats. These advanced devices offer unparalleled control over your home's heating and cooling systems, allowing you to master your indoor climate with ease. Let's explore how smart thermostats can revolutionize your comfort and energy efficiency. Smart thermostats utilize cutting-edge technology to learn your preferences, adjust settings automatically, and provide remote access via smartphone apps. By intelligently managing temperature levels based on occupancy and environmental conditions, they ensure optimal comfort while minimizing energy waste. The benefits are abundant. Smart thermostats can lead to significant energy savings by optimizing heating and cooling schedules, reducing utility bills, and enhancing overall comfort. With features like remote access and integration with smart home ecosystems, they offer unprecedented convenience and control. Smart thermostats are the cornerstone of modern climate control, offering efficiency, comfort, and convenience in one sleek package. Whether you're looking to save energy, improve comfort, or streamline your home automation, a smart thermostat is a must-have addition to any household. Number 6. Smart sprinkler controller. Transform your garden irrigation with a smart sprinkler controller, the key to watering wisely and efficiently. These intelligent devices offer precise control over your watering schedule, helping you conserve water while keeping your lawn and garden lush. Let's delve into how a smart sprinkler controller can revolutionize your outdoor watering routine. Smart sprinkler controllers use advanced technology to adjust watering schedules based on factors like weather forecasts, soil moisture levels, and plant types. By customizing watering zones and optimizing usage, they ensure your landscape receives the right amount of water at the right time. The benefits are clear. Smart sprinkler controllers can lead to significant water savings, lower utility bills, and healthier plants. With features like remote access and automated scheduling, they offer convenience and peace of mind, allowing you to maintain a beautiful landscape with minimal effort. A smart sprinkler controller is a game changer for anyone looking to water wisely and efficiently. By harnessing technology to optimize irrigation practices, these devices help conserve water resources while promoting thriving gardens. In a world where every watt counts, these 6 gadgets stand as beacons of efficiency and innovation. By harnessing the power of technology, they empower homeowners to live smarter and greener lives. From optimizing energy usage to conserving water, these devices offer tangible benefits for both your wallet and the planet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay efficient, stay eco-friendly, and stay tech-savvy.